Welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're grilling chicken quarters. You know, it's not a fancy cook, but I'm going to be using two products I've never used before. Maybe you haven't either, so stick around, check it out, tell me what you think. Alright, so right here we got 7 quarters. Now first thing I'm going to do for this cook is I'm going to give it a little spritz of this duck fat. That's it, nice and easy. All right, so I'm using a rub today that I haven't tried yet, been excited about because everything I try from this guy is just awesome. It's the sweet and spicy are. So open it up. Let's give it a try real fast. Wow. Wow, this is just, I'm definitely going to be ordering more. Probably of everything that I tried so far, because everything is really, really good. I'm just going to put a nice liberal coat. Alright guys, look what I found at Home Depot. I am super excited. I've been wanting to try this for a while. Got the Jealous Devil. Alright, just open the bag. There's some real nice chunks in there. So, I'm excited about it. Check out these massive chunks. That is really cool. Alright, so the chicken's looking good. I had to break up a couple pieces. I don't know if you can see with the light. You might not be able to see that good. But still, almost half of it left over of that red devil. Alright guys, so I took the chicken off the grill. I gotta say, I really, really liked that red devil chunks. That stuff was awesome. I still have probably about a third of it left over. It burned really clean. It had a nice little smell to it. Very, very nice. Now, I want to try this rub out. So, I'm going to take a piece, take this little drumstick right here. Give this a try real fast. Oh man. Wow, it's really good. The rub is awesome. The skin didn't get as crispy as I wanted. I'm not sure if that's because I put the duck fat on first. I'm probably going to go back to my normal routine and give a little spray of something after I put the rub on, after it's been on the grill for a little while. But I saw somebody do this, I figured give it a try. But I'm reverting back. Anyway, guys, highly gotta recommend that sweet spicy R, Uncle Steve's, and the Jealous Devil. 1 for 1 so far on the charcoal. 1 for 1 on that Jealous Uncle Steve's. Awesome stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.